In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom in and out effect in CapCut. Step 1. Click on your video track in the timeline to make sure it's active. Step 2. Move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to begin. Step 3. Go to the video tab on the right panel and find the scale option. Click the diamond-shaped keyframe button to add your first keyframe. For this first keyframe, we'll keep the scale at 100%. Step 4. Now drag the playhead to where you want the zoom in to finish. For example, I'll place mine at the end of the video. And lastly, step 5. Click the keyframe button again to add the second keyframe. Then increase the scale value to zoom in. For example, I'll set this to 120. And that's it. Now let's play back the clip and see how our video smoothly zooms in between the two keyframes. Here's a bonus tip. You can also control the speed of your zoom effect by moving the keyframes closer together for a faster zoom or farther apart for a slower zoom. For example, I'll move the second keyframe right next to the first for a quick zoom. We can also move it to the middle for a slower, more gradual effect. And that's it. You've just created a smooth zoom in and out effect in CapCut using keyframes. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to put them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!